Today we can honestly swear that this video is going to be the best and most valuable video for you on this channel, because today we are going to reveal the secret that will help you achieve your yearly goals in just 9 months. And you can say this with 100% confidence because we ourselves achieve our yearly goals in just 3 months by following this very strategy. So if you want to do the same, just watch this video till the end. Achieving a year's worth of goals in 9 months sounds impossible, doesn't it? It felt impossible to us too, until we started using this method practically. Leadership coach Brian Moran, who is invited by big companies like Morgan Stanley and New York Life, teaches their employees and teams how to achieve 5-year goals in just 3 months. And not only does he teach it, but the companies also manage to achieve their 5-year goals in 3 months. This is a fact and proof. So with the secret we are going to reveal today, you too will be able to do the same. So the first thing you need to do is, number 1, put your blinds on. A duck can fly, swim, and walk, but it doesn't excel at any one of these things. It swims slowly, walks slowly, and doesn't fly very high. It's average in everything. On the other hand, a horse only does one thing. It runs fast, but it does that one thing so well that it's the best at it. That's why people bet on horses. A horse ready for a race has blinds put over its eyes, so that its focus is only on one thing, the finish line. The horse puts all its energy into one direction, one goal. Doesn't look left or right, it runs straight ahead and reaches its goal. Similarly, you need to put your blinds on. At the start of the year, you must have set 10 to 20 goals. Forget them all, just one goal, only one, and sacrifice everything for that one goal. Most people's focus has become like water. It spreads everywhere, ruining everything. The same water is concentrated and directed at a high pressure on one point. It turns into a concentrated water jet that can even cut through stone. The same principle applies to your life. When you concentrate your energy on one point, the impossible becomes possible. Nikola Tesla was one of the greatest scientists in the world, who invented wireless electricity transmission and artificial ranges. Do you know what his biggest mistake was? He spread his energy everywhere, never focusing on just one thing. Instead, he worked on multiple things at the same time. He had a genius mind, but he kept working on every idea. At one point, he had more than 300 patents, but in the end, he died in poverty. Why? Because he never worked with just one focus, instead working for different people on different things at the same time. And this eventually became his biggest mistake, because he never put on his blinds. That's why most people fail. Look at Charles Darwin. Darwin didn't have a very high IQ compared to the people of his time. Yet today, we all know Darwin's theory of evolution. Why? Because Darwin dedicated his entire life to just one thing. His focus was solely on blood research. Every day, throughout his life, he worked on just one goal. And that's what makes him remembered even today after his death. What is your most important goal? What is the one task you need to accomplish? Think about it. For the next 3 months, you'll have to put on your blinds like a racing horse and put all your energy into just one goal. Always remember what Vince Lombardi said. Success demands singleness. Now, you need to follow the second most important step, the hidden secret. There is a secret that has been lost in the noise and crowd of 99% of people. Every successful person knows this. If you want success in achieving your goals or life dreams, you need to know this secret too.